Well, this is just my attempt to get some of you guys a little farther along on the sighting section. There was just a wonderful workshop on sighting, and in case you missed it, I thought I'd go back through some of these great examples that are posted on your, I think they're week 2 readings. Yeah, what is sighting? And there are several on here, but this is one of the most basic, so I thought I'd take you through this. What you don't see in the images, of course, is the explanation of exactly what's going on, and so I'm trying to add that. Hopefully that'll help some of you with this really important skill. This is the second one. This is after you just see the setup of everything going on here, and as you can tell here, the hand, and to make this work, my friends, this arm has got to be extended all the way out because that's a constant. Your arm isn't going to change length, so sit back far enough so you can sit all the way back from your still life, and your arm can be extended in front of you all the way. Now, pencil, good tool here, and you can see that the individual here has lined the tip of the pencil up with the bottom of that box, and he is essentially making this the unit of measurement. Let me show you how he uses this. I'll go to the second one here. Okay, he's saying this is my basic unit right here, and I'm going to measure everything else in this still life with this much. So you don't want to move your thumb away from that because that's what your basic unit is. So keep that in mind, and then you might even be able to score that with your thumbnail a little bit because you are going to have to go back and do some other measurements. But then real quickly, sighting, you would go then, once you've got that basic unit, you would go then to say, aha, if I put my pencil tip at this side of the carton, this is my unit, this is the length of this, about how far before I get to the edge of the carton. And as you can see, and this will have to be a little sighting, something you're looking at and you're just kind of estimating, it's approximately 1/2 the distance of this whole thing. In other words, from this part to this part of the carton is about 1/2 of the basic unit from here to here. So when you draw that, you want to make sure this is true. Now this is where you have to take your thumb off, right? Because you're either going to have to write down 1/2 or you're going to have to draw that in pretty quick. All right, then go back, recite this, and go to the next object that you're going to sketch in. All right, this time, well, there we are showing you that it's a half unit. We already did that, didn't we? This time then we're going to this little candle in the foreground, and you'll see that basically this also, if I were to take the pencil over here, line the tip up from here to here, it's going to be 1/2 this basic unit as well, or from here to here. In other words, when I line my pencil tip up here, and if I'm sighting it, I'll see that this basic unit right here is about to here, and that means this is about 1/2. Looking again and kind of guessing on that. And you proceed then through all the objects. Like here we've sighted from the top of the square part of the carton to the top of the closure. It's about 1/4 of that basic unit. Okay, now whether you decide to write these down as you measure them so you can check them, or quickly sketch them in and then go back and check that unit as you go from object to object, totally up to you. But anyway, just trying to provide a little of those explanations that the still pictures just don't give you, but they're wonderful examples, aren't they? Thanks for being patient, and I hope this helps.